These are the matching exercises for the digestive system beginning on page 212. Exercise A, match the term in column 1 with its description in column 2. Number 1, mouth is letter G, the opening that is the beginning of the digestive system. 2, pharynx is letter C, the throat. 3, esophagus is letter H, the tube that carries food to the stomach. 4, stomach is letter A, organ that receives food from the esophagus and sends it to the intestine. Number 5, duodenum is letter F, the first part of the small intestine. Number 6, the jejunum is letter D, the second part of the small intestine. 7, ileum is letter B, the third part of the small intestine. And number 8, colon, is letter E, the large intestine. Exercise B, match the term in column 1 with its description in column 2. Number 1, sigmoid colon, is letter C, the S-shaped lower portion of the large intestine. Number 2, the rectum is letter H, the final section of the colon. 3, anus is letter A, opening of the colon to the outside of the body. 4, appendix is letter F, the small sac that hangs from the beginning of the large intestine. 5, liver is letter D, organ that makes bile, stores sugar, and produces proteins to clot blood. Number 6 is the gallbladder. This is letter B, the sac that stores bile. 7, the common bile duct, is letter G, the tube that carries bile from the liver and gallbladder to the intestine. And number 8, pancreas, is letter E, the gland that makes both digestive juices and the hormone of insulin. Exercise C, match the combining form in column 1 with its meaning in column 2. Number 1, gastro means D, stomach. Colo means G, large intestine. 3, procto means H, anus and rectum. 4, cholecysto means I, the gallbladder. Pharyngo is J, the throat. Oro is A, mouth. Number 7, hepato is E, liver. Duodeno is F, the first part of the small intestine. Ileo is C, the third part of the small intestine. And 10, pancreato is B, endocrine and exocrine gland near the stomach. Exercise D, match the term in column 1 with its meaning in column 2. Number 1, hepatomegaly, is C, enlargement of the liver. 2, cholecystectomy, is F, removal of the gallbladder. 3, proctoscopy, is G, visual examination of the anus and rectum. 4, ileostomy, is H, new opening of the third part of the small intestine to the outside of the body. 5. Stomatitis is D. Inflammation of the mouth. 6. Gastrojejunostomy is I. New opening between the stomach and second part of the small intestine. 7. Pancreatitis is J. Inflammation of a gland adjacent to the stomach. Number 8. Duodenal is E. Pertaining to the first part of the small intestine. 9. Esophageal is A. Pertaining to the tube leading from the throat to the stomach. And 10. Gastralgia is letter B. Pain of the stomach. Exercise E. Match the pathologic condition in column 1 with its meaning in column 2. Number 1, hepatitis is D. Inflammation of the liver. Cirrhosis is F. Chronic disease of the liver with degeneration of liver cells. 3. Cholelithiasis is E. Abnormal condition of gallstones. Colonic polyposis is G. Small growths protrude from the mucous membrane lining the intestine. 5. Jaundice is A. Yellow-orange coloration of the skin and other tissues. 6. Inflammatory bowel disease is letter C. Ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Diverticulosis is letter B. Abnormal condition of small pouches or sacs in the wall of the intestine. 8. Irritable bowel syndrome is letter I. Signs and symptoms of GI distress, but no lesions found in the GI tract. Hepatocellular carcinoma is letter J. Primary cancer of the liver. And number 10, gastroesophageal reflux disease is letter H. Contents of the stomach flow backwards into the esophagus. Exercise F, match the test or procedure in column 1 with its description in column 2. Number 1, LFTs is G, measurement of liver enzymes, ALT, AST, and alkaline phosphates, and other substances. Number 2, abdominal CT is letter I, series of cross-sectional X-ray images that shows abdominal organs. Cholangiography is letter A, X-ray examination of bile ducts. 4. Stool culture is D. Feces are placed in a growth medium and tested for microorganisms. GI endoscopy is letter C. Visual examination of the gastrointestinal tract, or a colonoscopy. 6. Hemoccult test is letter H. Feces are tested for blood, stool guaiac test. Barium tests are letter J. X-ray images of the GI tract obtained after introduction of a radiopaque liquid into the rectum or mouth. 8. Abdominal MRI is letter F. Magnetic waves create images of abdominal organs in 3 planes of the body. Anastomosis is letter E. cholecystojejunostomy. And then number 10, laparoscopic surgery, is letter B, a minimally invasive surgery of the abdomen.